Want to create a full-length video AI up to 30 minutes with just one word? Stick around because I will show you how using Magic Light AI, and if you want to try it right now, the link is in the description. This tool, Magic Light AI, lets you type a single word or short prompt and instantly it generates long professional quality videos, no editing skills, no hours wasted, just enter your idea and Magic Light AI does the hard work for you. As you can see here, AI video agent. Or you can go to story to video. I will show you later how it's done. So why it is great for YouTubers? It is especially powerful for YouTubers. You can produce content fast, keep your channel active, and even generate income, all while saving tons of time instead of spending days scripting and editing. You can publish high quality videos in minutes. So all you have to do is just to go here as I showed you here, type whatever the study about, I don't know, let's say running or I don't know what, keep then expansion is as I said it's one word, expansion it, and then it will write basic script, or you can go here with that basic script. You can choose your style, you can choose whatever you want, and then you will have the duration here. You can custom it, but all you have to do is just to go to the plus plan or the pro plan to have a long video. Don't forget my link in the description. So if you're serious about growing on YouTube and making money, is this game changer? Don't wait to click the link in the description to try Magic Light AI for free and start generating your ultimate AI videos.